On this return path of man, 2000. On this world, progress is half the effort of man and is half the gift of nature, because everything we discovered on science was there before we discovered. We was able to discover fire because there existed something called fire. We are not creating, we are only discovering, and in the case of invention, also we are only discovering the existing possibilities of the given raw materials. The possibility that how much a computer could develop in future is written, or the idea exists now also. But we do not know that, and we have to discover. We can discover a fuel for running vehicles in future if there exists a fuel like that. This is the same in the case of this is the same in the case of medicines also. We cannot say that we will invent a fuel or medicine. We can only hope for it. There will be no need for a mind if there are no needs for human being, as mind is made to run the human body by fulfilling the need. Anyway, improving the power of brain to enjoy life may be considered as a better way for development on the coming centuries, knowing the secret of brain. Our subjects are changing on a very small intervals of time, but our basic needs remain the same for all these centuries. Our behavior towards human beings has not changed. He has found better way of or fulfilling his needs with the help of science, but he is struggling. Does real development means fulfilling his needs without struggle? Will there be a time when we are free from all our wanting and needs? Will that mean development? Can we imagine a human brain on a body which has the quality of making foods like plants, thus being free from one of his basic needs, which is somehow free from death, hence determined aging, and who is using his knowledge on the chemical reactions in brain to manipulate good feelings in mind, as human beings are struggling not for fulfilling his needs but for fulfilling his emotions. What is the nature of development? Given raw materials on mind, or what is the motive for the development? How much he has civilized? What is the future of the civilization, or for what extent of mind development can satisfy him? How needs increase with population? Physics is the science of society. Biology is the science of individual. Biology is the most creative science of all. Brain is the most creative area of science. Knowledge is the combination of meaning which makes the sense of meaning or of reality. Actually, we are not the master of our of mind. Our work and fortune is the master of mind. To be precise, work decides our mental satisfaction.